Hello friends, welcome to Abhay Bhojan channel. Today's recipe is spicy or masala buttermilk. The ingredients are as follow. Here I have taken 3 to 4 glass of buttermilk, around 3 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1 green chili, few curry leaves, 1 garlic clove, and salt to taste. Firstly, take all these ingredients into a mixer jar and grind this into a paste by adding 1/4 glass of normal water into it. Once the mixture is ready, strain this in a strainer to take the juice out of this extraction. And I'm adding some more normal water to increase the juice quantity, and then mixing this with the buttermilk that I have taken. Mix this well and pour this buttermilk into a serving glass. Here you go. Healthy and nutritious buttermilk ready to serve. This buttermilk will help to reduce the body heat during the hot summer. Please do try, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.